This is a used 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include heated steering wheel, heated seats, power folding mirrors, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.